Hi guys, I have a very easy recipe for you. I'm going to make a milkshake and my niece is gonna help me. She's gonna tell you which kind of ingredients we need.
4 dates, 2 apples, 2 bananas, and milk.
First of all, I'm gonna peel the apples. Now the first step we do is to add a little bit of water to boil, just a little bit, and we add the apples. And we bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, we put it in a medium heat. So it's already done, and we add a little bit of cinnamon. You can also add the cinnamon while the water starts to boil, and we mix it. And we leave it until it gets cold, just like maybe an hour or 2 hours. If you want to make it a day before, it's much better. Guys, I've left the apple in the fridge the whole night, so the milkshake, it will be cold.
Well, I add a date, the apples,
Now we add the bananas. As you know, it's important to start the day with some food that gives you a boost of energy.
we add a milk,
And finally we mix it. If you drink it for breakfast, you will have energy the whole morning.
now we sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon.
So the milkshake is already done. Do you want to test it?
Of course.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so delicious.
Guys, I hope you like it. Don't forget to give us a like.
And subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.